What's up, my beautiful juices? Your girl Joella. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going back to play some Phoenix Immortal Rising, or however you say it. I'm supposed to be dying, because that's what I'm about to do. I forgot how to play this, I ain't gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, we're back here, back where we stopped at in the beginning. I don't know what else to say right now, but we're supposed to be scout the region of Aphrodite's statue. So let's just jump right on into that, okay? I don't know what's going on. I just upgraded my health, I believe. In order to upgrade your health, you have to clean it. Okay. I hope I am going the right way.
What was that?
Right. Alright, we finally made it.
The Valley of Eternal Spring. Its highlights include a massive tree that reaches up.
That
to
is
the heavens.
beautiful.
The Hall of the Gods. Eros' palace.
Oh, I'm glad he finally got his happy ending.
And a palace belonging to the goddess of beauty herself.
Of course, Aphrodite would claim the prime real estate with the best view. As long as she's safe from prying eyes, I'm happy.
From such great heights, a fluttering of birds, feeding from the most beautiful apple tree, caught Phoenix's eye.
Phoenix was about as high as I was when I thought marrying Aphrodite off to Hephaestus would stop the other gods from fighting over her.
Yes, that view from Mount Olympus is something else. I haven't seen it in years.
You're not getting that high again, so stop asking.
What are y'all talking about? Wow. Oh, I could try. Okay. That's the lair. Lair. That's the Hall of Gods. Someone took a picture. What's this? Lightning struck a majestic person and sprawled down off and reached a fallen bird. You know what? Let me see how far I am. Let's do this one. So we're gonna reach the falling bird now, since hold. Oh, okay. So we're gonna have to go way over there. What's this? Scout the region from. Oh, so this is just places to scout, to, yeah, to make the map more, yeah. Let's go. Hopefully I can get as close as I possibly can, because yeah, that's a lot of walking, running, all that good stuff. That's just a lot. Dang, she's about to fall. Yep. Let me just.
No, you will all pay for your stupidity.
Oh shoot. Aim. Did he say that because I just fell, or he was saying that because of something else? Because that was very coincidence with him saying that right as I was falling. Because I did for sure pay for my stupidity. I'm sorry. Why do they do that? Like, why they go all the way? Like, I don't know. Be like.
Hey there. You're in bad shape.
Yep. No.
Too proud to quit, huh? Well, so am I.
Phoenix! Stay away from that thing!
How you get uphill?
What are you doing here?
I
Right.
saw the lightning strike. Naturally, I came right away to finish the job. Easy kills are a specialty of mine.
Why am I not surprised?
Right.
Well, I'm saving the bird, and I won't take no for an answer.
No, it's a creature of Typhon. Wait, I'm having a vision. You're going to say, but it needs our help. Then I'll say, it's just waiting to kill us as soon as it has the chance. Then you'll say, Hermes, please, don't make me blackmail you. I'll tell Hera what you did. Then I'll say, you wouldn't. But I know deep down you would, so I agree to help you. All the while, looking for an opportunity, as soon as you let your guard down, to strike.
He is funny.
Well, you got me cornered, kid. For now. Since Typhon brought that thing out of Tartaros, you'll need food from down there to revive it. The same food Hades fed to Persephone.
School me?
Seeds of the dead. I only know of one on the island.
Then I'm going to get that seed. Sit tight.
Me or the bird? Because I don't think that thing can sit.
Stop calling it a thing. Find the Sea of the Dead. I don't. That looks very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Yep. And I don't think I am equipped to go to anywhere that says anything about dead things. Like, what is that? What is that right there? I don't want to mess with it. So hopefully it's not too far. I don't like this. It was all nice and colors everywhere, and now it's just bleak. I don't too tough like that place. Hope I don't have to go back, but I know I will have to. I know I do. Gotta give this bird the seed of the dead in order to revive. Like, does that make any sense?
Hey, proud
Seed
guy. I
of
put
the dead
seed.
in order to revive this bird.
I'm sorry, kid.
Revive. Seed
Come
of
on,
the dead.
we'll go get some drumsticks. They're on me. Oh, well, that makes things easy. We got the drumsticks right here.
That man funny.
Woohoo! You're alive! Hey there, proud fellow.
Kind of a stuck-up rare breed Typhon lit on fire, huh?
If you please, Your Excellency. I'm going to name him Phosphor. after Phosphorus, the morning star.
Cute.
Phosphor says that he's still weak and needs to regain more strength. He'd like to offer to help you on your journey to repay the debt for saving his life. He, also loves the new nickname. Like, really loves it. Don't you, Phosphor?
I told you this was the right decision.
I don't think he actually
an evil
do. I
undead
think
bird.
Hermes just being a
Brilliant. I take it all back. You were totally on the money. That beautiful bird is offering to take us to Daedalus's secret treasure room.
No way! The genius inventor who built this island.
The one and only. He says there's a pile of Electrum with my name on it. Oh, yes. There's also a second seed of the dead that can make Phosphor stronger than ever.
Would you look at that? Doing good deeds results in good deeds in return.
I don't know how I feel about
Is
that
that a
man.
trick question? Because the answer is clearly no one. So, there are two clues that lead to this treasure room we need to find. And by we, I mean you.
Of course.
One is near the Dracon Bones, the second is near the Aqueduct.
The what?
Isn't that right, Phosphor? I told you he adores his new nickname, right?
He that man lying. Right. Cause that man lying. How many more quests I got? My god, dang. Map. Wow. You want me to? Wow. You got me all the way. Nope. No, ma'am. No ham. No turkey. No bologna. Like, Oh, look at that. That is so. Oh, look at. Oh, that's so cool. I hope I get to this thing before. Oh, shoot. That's a good thing she didn't, like, die or anything, you know?
What?
What did he say?
Ooh. Hello. Y'all don't see me. I see y'all, but I'm acting like I don't see y'all. And we'll be good to go, right? Y'all good, we good, everybody's good. Actually, I feel like, if I'm not mistaken, it's right there. And I could just travel to the Goddess of Love instead of doing all the other extra stuff. I could just, you know, flap my way all over there. You know? I wish there was a way to go faster.
Come back whenever you're ready now, you hear? And be sure to tell all your fellow creatures that I am here to serve them. Fresh up, available night. And then, if I could move, I'd deliver. Same day guarantee.
What?
Did that apple tree was just talking? That's interesting. Let me guess, I'm gonna have to deliver its apples or something. That's Aphrodite? Oh, wow.
You wouldn't happen to be Aphrodite?
Why, yes, I am. Pleasure to humbly make your acquaintance.
Phoenix. Sorry, I'm just such a fan. You're responsible for some of the most epic love stories of all time. I have to admit, I wasn't expecting a tree, but even in your, arboreal state. You're beautiful.
Oh, that's sweet of you to say, but the only mirror I gaze into these days reflects the happy smiles of the creatures I help. If only I could travel to those most in need. But alas, my roots keep me anchored here.
So that's why Typhon did this to you. So you can't use your beauty to move ships or inspire bravery in battle against him.
Me? Start a war? I don't know where you get such outlandish ideas. True beauty is found in acts of service. True love is the giving of yourself to others. The name Aphrodite should have stood for those things all along.
She did not just say that.
I am reformed now. My old essence locked away.
What is going on behind her? Like, what is that?
Fruit, which is for the best.
Maybe I could get that essence back for you. I'm going to need allies to go up against Typhon.
We have the hungry to think about.
You said you need to free yourself from your roots. To feed the hungry, of course. Well, my roots were as a pretty bad farmer. So I know how to hurt plants. Salt. It shrivels them up.
Oh, would that work? But of course, my roots are not ordinary. They're primal, powerful.
So we'll need, mythical salt water? Oh! This is in the prophecy! A pearl in rough seas! You were a pearl born from rough seas! The salty sea foam from your birth!
Yes, what an inspired proposal. But I couldn't possibly trouble a stranger to recreate the conditions of my birth.
What if a stranger asked to be troubled?
If a stranger asked to be troubled, then I suppose I wouldn't really be troubling them at all. Here's how to conjure sea foam from my birthplace.
I already know all about this. Mom loved this story. Grandpappy Uranus threw a pearl into the sea. The sea churned into foam, and Aphrodite rose up out of it.
A pearl? Grandpappy? I'm not sure that's how it...
That's definitely the story.
Okay. I'm sure that's how it went down.
Got it. Knock a pearl into the ocean really hard. That sounds simple enough.
Oh, thank you, Phoenix. I'll be serving fresh apples to the less fortunate across the Golden Isle in no time.
Well, this is weirder than the time Demeter turned that kid into a lizard.
Dang. Y'all got me going everywhere and you know what?
Aphrodite? Sweet and charitable? No more mischief?
Isn't that what you were aiming for when you married her off to Hephaestus against her will?
Hey now, it wasn't. I mean, she knew I was doing it for her own good.
She gonna still try to look at me? Can I eat her apples? No? Well, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode right here because whoo, that's gonna be a trip. So in the next one, we'll be going to roll the pearl to the ocean and all that good stuff. Good chap, yeah, okay. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you please subscribe, like this video. And is that Honest Master?
What?
That's adorable. But anyway, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new, comment whatever you want to comment is cool. Make sure you go and follow me on my other social medias. It's gonna be in here and in the description down below. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoy and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.